Hi, I'm Mike Frobosilo, 3M Product Specialist here at Hughes. Today I am joined by Ryan Fenstermaker, who is the 3M Product Manager for Firestop Products of the Northeast. Today we're going to talk about the 3M Fire Barrier Putty Sleeve Kit. Ryan?
Thanks, Mike. Yeah, the Putty Sleeve Kit is a great product. It comes in three sizes, 1-inch, 2-inch, and 4-inch diameter. And the device comes in a 12-inch length with rolled edges. It's held together with a PVC sticker, so you can actually open the device to address existing cables, or more commonly, utilize it for new cable installations through walls. The great thing about the Putty Sleeve Kit is that you get everything you need for a fire rated penetration all in the same kit. The device, the brackets to mount the device, the hardware to utilize with the brackets, and the putty to stick in the ends of the device around the cables. It really gives the contractor a very cost-effective, labor-friendly way to make penetrations through rated walls and know that they're ordering everything they need for those penetrations all in a single easy kit.
All nice and easy. Very good.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.